Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing good. Now I am back with you. As you all know that we are doing the back exercise of Ice Cream Man poem, Ice Cream Man. Now we had done on that very day 2 pages of Ice Cream Man. Now we'll continue with the next part, the Ice Cream Man. Okay, so let's start with the things. Are you ready? All right. Okay. Now open your books at page number 7. Okay, now next pages, it's six number page. It's let's listen. Now it's a fun activity. You will be having fun while doing this. You will feel very comfortable, very fun like this thing. Over here, it's question number 1. Let's listen and tell the sounds that these words in the poem produce. Which type of sounds are you listen? Like cart is a thing on which the vendors keep the things. Okay, or which kind of sound you listen from that thing, particular thing, from cart. What whenever when cart comes to your street, on the street, and what kind of sound you feel over there. And drinks, you will see, when there are drinks bottles on the cart, and the person, those who is having that cart, he or she was doing that like this, tin 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 tin, like that. Okay, can you make these sounds? Can you make the sounds? You have to try it once. It's a very fun activity. You'll do yourself, and you will find fun while doing it. Now the second question, what are some of the different sounds you hear when the ice cream man comes? What kind of sounds you listen? There is, I think, tring tring. There's a bell icon over there, no? That the person is having that bell over there. He or she does like the ting 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 ting. So that sounds you listen from there. Okay. Now come to the next point. Find out and write a report. All right, report is like that. We need to on which type topic we are going to write is it known as report. We have to write a good title over it, whatever the report is. Then uh, where then we have to keep to the subject what we are supposed to write. Tell things in the right order. What act with whatever you want to write, you have to write in a proper order or manner. Make your paper look neat. Your report should be in a proper, neat and clean way. Okay, all right, it's an activity. In the groups of 4, write a report on different brands of ice creams available in the area. Here's an activity of 4. We know right now you can't do it in the groups, so you have to do yourself. Over here you can use the clues. You have to write your own favorite ice cream. Okay, you have to write your own favorite ice cream. Which flavor? First of all, what how you have to write. Let's listen. First, start with a short introduction which contains a topic. The topic is different brands of ice creams available in your area. This is your topic. You have to write a small introduction on it. Then list the ice cream brands available in your area. What kinds of brands of that particular of ice cream available in your area, like this Amul, vanilla, Amul, vanilla. Excuse me. Thereafter, we can say Basant ice cream. Okay, these are the brands. So you have to work on that thing. Thereafter, next, what say which are the common flavors of ice cream in each brands? Which kind of flavors that ice cream comes in which kind of brands? You have to write it. You under each brand find out which flavors are being sold the most, which brand under which flavor. You have to survey on it. You have to see when an ice cream comes to you, na, so which flavor you like the most and from of which brand. I think you might be knowing this thing. If children which like which kind of brand or flavor. I personally like Basant ice cream. Sorry to say, but I was just want to tell you that everybody has its own brand. So that's why someone's brand is like it would be Amul. In that brand, the flavor must be strawberry. I know the students of your age group, they like strawberry and chocolate the most, which I feel like. Rest is your choices are of yours. Finally, write down which do you think is the most popular ice cream. Which ice cream? Now you have to survey. You will find out. You have to do survey at your home only. Don't go here and there. Do survey at your home only. Which kind of do you think the ice cream most popular? Flavor as well. So if you are having adults in your home, more adults, and they say, "Oh, okay, it's okay. We eat any kind of ice cream, any kind of flavor, but if you go to your if you go to your brother sister of your own age mate, then you will find out the difference which ice cream flavor they like the most. And it's a fun activity you can do at your home. It's up to you. If you can write in a notebook or on in your this book, it's up to you, what whichever you feel like. Okay, then we let's come to the other point. That's color the boxes that have rhyming words. Rhyming words. City. Okay, we have to color the boxes. I don't have color, so I'll did it with the pencil. You have to color it with the color whichever you feel like color. Okay. City, cat. It's a rhyming word. No. Heat and street are rhyming words. Yes. Blows, goes. Yes. Do, go. No. The same is up. The rest you have to do yourself. Over here I have done it, but you have to try yourself. Okay. Then come to the next point. Over here, what is written? What do the following word describe in the poem? Up, you have to feel. You have if you have read the poem, then you will come to know what these words use for. Joyful. Joyful. What joyful? Happy. Happiness. What? In the ice cream cart, you can see sight. Sight. Joyful sight. Because these two children, they come around the ice cream man seller, and they are over there. You can see over here. Wait a minute. You can see over here. Joyful sight. Everyone is happy. Why everyone is happy? Because ice cream cart is here, ice cream man is here, ice cream cart is here, and they are ready to eat ice cream of their favorite flavor. Then little. What is little? Little describes cart. The on in which the ice cream is, that is cart on which the ice cream man is there. It is on the cart. So that means the cart is little. Okay. Round. What are the round is? That is umbrella. Umbrella means, you know, umbrella. This is known as, excuse me, sorry. This is an umbrella. This is the little cart. This is known as cart. Okay. And the sight is joyful. Okay. Now, what are the next question is, what are the describing words used in the poem for following? What are describing words? Mounds. Mounds means whenever you eat that, we can say softy. There are flavors on it. The ice cream man puts that flavor into it with the scoop, and there is a mound over it. There is a mound scoop over there, the circle one, that is known as mounds. So that is brown and white mounds. Thereafter there is flavor. Which flavors are described in the poem? That is vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Very cluster. Thick clusters. Clusters means the lot of people, a group of things, that is known as cluster. So that is thick cluster, that is described in the poem. Now it's a fun time. You will be having fun. Color the boxes with the colors of the flavors mentioned in each. Alright. There are boxes around the word. You have to color it with the name of, according to the names. Chocolate. Which color the chocolate is? Yes, brown. You have to fill this box in with brown color. Then vanilla, that is in white color, I guess, na? Yes, very good. White. Yes, that is white. So you no need to fill it. If there is white crayon, then you can do it. It's up to you, right? And the rest is up to you. You have to do your own. Orange, you know, orange color. Black currant, that is in purple color. Strawberry, that is in reddish pinkish color. Raspberry is in pink color, magenta pink. Butterscotch is in yellow color. Pista is in light green color. So you have to fill these boxes according to the flavors, of the colors. Now the next question is, draw and color your dream ice cream. Your dream ice cream. What, like everybody, I love ice cream. So it would be my dream ice cream. Anyone's can the dream ice cream. You have to work on it. What kind there's a mine is like there is a cone, softy. There are mounds of different flavors which I like the most. That my favorite flavor is blackcurrant chocolate, and there are mounds over there. Everybody has its own creation. Everybody has his own thinking, and everybody has his own dream ice cream. So do you have to draw it in a very interesting manner? It's up to you. If you want to write words, describing words as very large, soft, and colorful, it's up to you. You can write the description over it. It's up to you. You can write it on your book, but keep this thing in your mind while doing work in the notebook. Sorry, on the book, you have to do with the pencil. Right, bete? Okay, now let's go with the other thing. Question is, third question, have you ever eaten kulfi? Kulfi, that is matka kulfi. There is a kulfi in matka. Matka is there from where we can put ice cream is there, and we put out the ice cream or ice cream seller. That was very yummy, I must say. The ice cream from North India. The following describe how it is served, but they are not in correct order. Over here, right is written is there. Ki, yes, uh, we can say there is not correct order. We have need to correct the order. Okay, we need to place the number before each sentence. Then like this, we can say. First is he scoops out the kulfi on the plate. Kulfi on the plate. Do you think? Then he pours some sweet syrup over it and serves it. Then the kulfi wala takes the kulfi mount of the pitcher and he arranges some faluda around it. And you can see over here. So first of all, what do kulfi wala do? Pitcher means the third point. The kulfi wala takes the kulfi mound of the pitcher. Pitcher means that is we can say that is in pot, है ना? From where the kulfi wala takes out the kulfi mount. That is a cup, cup like that. There's a kulfi in it, and the kulfi wala bring that cup mount from that thing. Thereafter, what he does, he scoops out the kulfi on the plate. Then whenever the mound is there out from the matka, then there is a then that person, the kulfi wala, place the mount on the scoop of the mound in the plate. Thereafter, what he's going to do, he arrange some faluda around it. Faluda, it's like we can say uh, Maggie type thing hota hai. That is, it's a Maggie type creation. Wo that is. Then he pours some sweet syrup over it and serves it. Then he pours some sweet over what is the flavor you like the most. He asks, which flavor do you like the most, or we will say that I like we can say roux afza flavor or orange flavor. Then he puts that flavor on that particular ice cream, and that's a very good thing. And you can beta you can do it in on your note on your books from the PDF. We can find those who are having books, they can do on your books, but those who are not having books, they can write on in a rough notebook or on the notebook, but they will try it once and do it with pencil with a good handwriting. All right, okay, it's up to now. It's over. The lecture is over. So bye bye. Take care and take care of yourself and your family. I know you people are very responsible. You're doing very good job. Still, you have to take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye.